Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Please, if you're just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and God bless you. I have a good news for you. Good news. And this platform that I'm about to show you is really, really paying. I've tested and the platform is working. So if you wish to join, you join smartly. There is link on the description for you to sign up. It is free of charge. But the only thing is that you are going to invest, depending on how much you want to invest. The platform is new and it's working. So let me show you, for example, in case if you want to recharge on this platform, particular platform, you have to click on this place, recharge. Once you click on the recharge, button, it will open. Once the platform opens, you copy this address here. This address. Once you copy it, then you go to maybe your Binance, Trust Wallet, Bybit, or any platform you are using to trade Bitcoin. Then you send the amount that you want to recharge here. Once you send it, your money will enter your wallet immediately, and you start working. So that is it. Then if you want to withdraw on this particular platform, you have to click on this place. Once you click on this place, it will open. And once it opens, you will see this thing. You will see the, like this place there. You will see this place. You enter the amount you want to withdraw. After that, then you enter your password. Once you enter your trading password, you will withdraw, and it will go successfully within 10 to 15 minutes. Then, if you want to trade, what you do is for you to come on this menu up here. Once you click on the menu up there, it will open. Then you click on transactions. I'm sorry. You click on transaction. Once you click on transactions will open. Once it opens, as you can see, I'm trading for 8 hours. Look at my own here. I'm trading. I started with about 100 or something dollar. Now I'm having $141. As you can see, my time is counting. It's counting over here. It's counting. So what I did is 8 hours. It's remaining 6 hours. So every 8 hours I'm trading. Then if you want to trade on 2 hours, you have to use this one. For 8 hours is paying more than 2 hours. Now what you have to do, maybe you enter the amount of the crypto you want to trade with. Maybe you recharge 400, 100 or 500. Then press 400 here. 400. Then enter your trading password. After entering your trading password, then you click on this trade now. Once you click, it will start trading. Then after 8 hours, it will return with your interest. Then if you want to work on the 2 hours on, then you click on this top one, the one at the top, where they wrote 2-hour contract. Then after that one, after 2 hours, they will return your money with your interest. So the platform is amazing and it's working perfectly. So if you want to see this side, if you want to come to community members, look at their community member. Once you come to this community member, look at it. And once you come there, you open it, you will see the people. Like I'm having like 6 members already. Then my interest from the member, then today's reward, then team any understand. So that is it. Then if you want to come to user center, once you open the user center, then you see income details. As you can see, this is my income details, my income, what I've received. These are the incomes here. Then you come to maybe recharge details. This is the money that I've recharged so far, 67 USDT and 75 USDT. Then if you come back, you come to withdrawals. This is the money that I've withdrawn so far to test the platform, and it was successful to my Binance account. So this platform, there is link on the description in case if you want to join and be smart. And also they have Android app if you want to download, and they have a normal browser. You can use their website or use the app. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing to this channel. God bless you. Please play smart. God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you.